Hello guys, welcome to Italiano per tutti. How are you? So, today we speak about letters. Letters are very important in Italian. We will learn them step by step. It's not very difficult. So, let's start immediately. The first letter we speak about is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y or Y, Z. That's all, guys. So the letters are really very easy, so they're not so difficult. We can learn them step by step. You can repeat my video, and so you will learn them. Take a piece of paper and a pen and write them down. And so next in the next lessons I will speak about other things, so rules, words, how to say hello in Italian, and all the phrases you need maybe in your vacation or in your studies, and the most important ones. So follow me and subscribe, comment, like, share with your friends, ask me whatever you want, and they will help you. And thank you for your support, guys, and I appreciate everything. So see you next. Bye bye.